Seconds matter. In a crushed vehicle, danger doesn't just come from the steel, it can come from the steering wheel. Firemax Driver Airbag Safety Systems help prevent accidental, unexpected airbag deployment during rescue operations. Fast to fit, ready for action. Short setup time means you can secure the hazard before you commit to the cut. Fit it, lock it, move. 3 cover sizes support a wide range of vehicles, from cars and SUVs to vans and trucks, so your team is prepared for whatever arrives. Built from strong, durable 5-layer Complan with impregnated polyester straps and a metal cam buckle safety lock, made to hold when the pressure is on. Suitable for left and right-hand driven vehicles, supplied with a carrying bag, and certified a practical professional system you can standardize across crews. By helping prevent accidental airbag deployment, you reduce risk around the steering wheel, supporting safer, more controlled extrication for team and casualty. Secure the airbag. Secure the rescue. Equip your rescue vehicle teams with Firemax Driver Airbag Safety Systems and train for rapid, repeatable deployment.